with airbags.
Okay.
Girls, say hi! We're on the Dumbo ride!
Quill, you seeing this? Quill! Well, you heard the lady. Get to EPCOT. It's Save the Galaxy time. Okay.
The Galactic Star Cruiser is open for business. Of course, that does not affect me or 99% of you, as no one wants to drop $6,000 on a 2-day voyage to fake space.
Ready?
You know what I've come for.
Let's get it on!
Mr. Depp, if Disney came to you with $300 million and 1 million alpacas, nothing on this earth would get you to go back and work with Disney on a Pirates of the Caribbean film. Correct?
That is true, Mr. Rottenborn.
Good morning. What's up, guys? It's Brian from Inside 300. It is about 5:55 in the morning, and we are outside the Fairfax County Courthouse, which is where the Johnny Depp trial is taking place. Why are we here? Well, because why not? There's only one story to talk about, and that is for the 8th time in history, Walt Disney World will close its doors due to an impending hurricane, this time Hurricane Ian.
Welcome to a little bit of Florida here in California.
Disney is a guest in Florida. Today, we remind them. We remind them.
We remind them. We remind them.
This state is governed by the best interests of the people of the state, not by any one corporation. We're not going to let them take over the state.
Our policy is going to be based on the best interest of Florida citizens, not on the musing of corporations.
Those comments coming after Disney's CEO called the governor on Wednesday. Chapek also publicly spoke out against the bill following weeks of pressure from employees and other activists.
As promised, Florida Republican Governor Ron DeSantis signing a law ending Disney's self-government and tax.
You're firing Bob Chapek? Is that what you're saying?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Christmas has come early here at the Walt Disney World Resort because Bob Chapek is out of here and Bob Iger has returned as CEO of the Walt Disney Company.
Bob is going to be running the company. What this is about really is, we believe a really good succession process and a really smart transition process. We're not concerned at all about creating any confusion.
Bob Iger is returning to the Walt Disney Company.
Bob Iger is chief once again.
Former CEO Bob Iger will return to the company for 2 years.
And current CEO Bob Chapek has stepped down.
Iger wrote a letter to employees and cast members Sunday night, alerting them of the news and thanked them for all they do. He also made mention of, quite frankly, how surprised he is to once again be sitting at the head of the table.